Hey guys, what's up? Coach JDC here. And we are here in Zurich now. We're just having lunch. Grabe dito, ang lamig. Today, gusto ko lang share sa inyo, syempre, another success tips I would like to share to you is, of course, to share and add value to the people around you first before selling. So, importante na makapag-add value ka muna sa mga tao sa paligid mo and to, alam mo yun, to serve to other people first bago mo, 'di ba? Bago ka muna magbenta ng magbenta kasi marami sa atin, we keep on selling to people. We're so focused on selling to people, but we forget to ask if how can we support them or how can we give value to them. So, one of the things that I would like to share to you today is, syempre, if you want to be best at what you do, contribute to others people's lives. Most importantly, huwag mo kakalimutan na at the end of the day, people will appreciate kung nakapagbigay ka ng value sa kanila. Don't just sell. Iba kasi yung nararamdaman ng tao kapag masyado ka nag-hard sell, kapag masyado ka aggressive. Pero pagka nakita nila that you want to support and want to give value to them also, not only just to sell, sigurado ako, 'di ba? Mas ma-appreciate ka nila at mas entertain nila kung ano man yung binibenta mo or kung ano man yung business mo. Right? So, that's it. God bless.